Alright, so question 14. In column chromatography, smaller beads usually lead to greater resolution and separation of molecules. Why? Also, why is high pressure HPLC needed to run columns with very small beads? Alright, so as we decrease the size of the beads, what we are increasing is the surface area, the total surface area within that column. So in general, as the bead size goes down, all right, or the diameter, you could even say the diameter of the beads, the total surface area will increase. All right, so because of this, we end up having more binding sites for our protein to the column, and the more binding sites, the greater the ability to separate molecules, because our separation is based on how these different proteins interact differently with the column. So the more column that we have, or the more surface area to bind our proteins, it would follow that then we'd end up having greater separation. Now, so that's kind of the first part of this. Now it also asks why high pressure is needed. Well, the finer that our beads get, the harder and harder it gets to be to push liquid or have liquid pass those beads. You can kind of think about it in kind of extreme examples. So, if we have a column full of gravel, it's very, very easy for water to pass by large chunks of gravel and flow out of the bottom of the column. But if instead we packed our column full of clay, which is really microscopic pieces of gravel, it is incredibly hard and slow for that water to now pass through the column. And if we actually wanted to push the water through, we'd have to apply tremendous pressure to the top of the column in order to get it through. All right, so that is your answer for number 14.